Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to study about nuts name and its benefits. So, very first one is raisins. Raisins means kishmish. Raisin protects your eyes from vision related problems. Dates. Dates means khajur. Dates are energy boosters and they contain natural sugars. Cashew nuts means kaju. It is good for brain health, immunity and bone health. Dried apricots means khush khobani. Dried apricots have calcium which strengthens your bones. Betelnuts means supari. Betelnut is used to stimulate appetite. Walnuts means akhrot. Walnut grows healthy strong hair and nails. Peanuts means mumphali. It boosts your memory. Coconut means pisawa khopra. It reduces risk factor for heart disease. Pistachios means pista. Pistachios are high in antioxidants. Pine nuts means chilgoze. Pine nuts helps to maintain hormonal health. Black currants means kali kishmish. They have plenty of antioxidants. Figs means injir. Figs stimulate healthy immune system. Almonds means badam. Almonds are effectively for improving haemoglobin.